Welcome to this tutorial on the Splunk SPL isstr command. The isstr command is a powerful evaluation function used to check if field values are string data types. This command is essential for data type verification in your Splunk searches and data processing workflows. The isstr function is an SPL evaluation function that specifically tests whether a field value is of string data type. Its primary purpose is data type verification and validation in search queries and data processing. This function helps ensure data consistency by allowing you to identify and work with string values in your datasets. The basic syntax for the isstr command is straightforward. You write isstr followed by parentheses containing the field name you want to test. The command returns a Boolean value true if the field value is a string, and false if the field value is not a string. This simple structure makes it easy to integrate into your SPL queries. Here's a practical example of using the isstr command. We use the eval command to create a new field called is_username_string that contains the result of testing the username field. Then we use the table command to display both the original username field and our new Boolean field. This creates a clear view showing which username values are strings and which are not. The isstr command has two primary use cases in Splunk environments. First, it's excellent for data filtering, allowing you to filter events based on field data types to ensure consistent data processing. Second, it's valuable for data validation, helping you validate incoming data to identify non-string values in fields where you expect string data. This example demonstrates how to filter data using the isstr command. We first create a Boolean field called is_string that tests the status field. Then we use the where command to filter only events where is_string equals true. Finally, we use the stats command to count occurrences by status. This approach ensures our statistics only include events where the status field contains actual string values, providing cleaner and more reliable results. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.